This is
Wesley, billion dollar version.
Let's go! So listen up. In a minute, I'm going to show you guys two things. One, I'm going to show you how to share this link that allowed me to make $475 yesterday here. And actually, I'm in Dubai, too. I'm going to show you the young lady, which is my boo. She's the one that said, Wesley, billion dollar version, let's go! So listen up here. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, this is probably the simplest thing you can do right now. It's getting ready to be 2022. If not, it is right now to make money online. And all you need to do is share a link. I'm going to give you the link and the site to do that. It only takes 3 sites. Now listen, most people never make money on the internet because they don't pay attention here. And a lot of you don't make money because you're not smashing the like button and showing me some love, right? Sub to the channel. So listen, very simple to do. Thank you for the love, folks. You know, go ahead and smash the like button, sub to your boy Black Wesley, Black King. Already, let's go here. First up here is all you need to do is go to Facebook, okay? You got a Facebook account? Well, you're halfway there, and $400 a day is $16,000 a month. Like, imagine making that amount of money just by sharing a link a couple of hours a day instead of working a job. Let me show you something. Look at this. See that view? Look at that. That's where I'm at right now, right? So you'll never need to work a job because these links that I'm about to give you is going to make so much money that you'll be able to retire your parents. You'll be able to take care of your children properly. And you no longer need to watch my videos, right? It's up to you. But check it out. So first up, go to Facebook. And this is what I want you to do. Go to search, okay? And I want you to type in the word manifest, okay? And go to groups here. Okay, stay with me here. Let me move my big head over here. So check it out. So groups here. And all I want you to do is, under the manifestation niche, I want you to join every group for free, by the way. It's free. And it's worldwide to do this. So listen, we're like 50% there. We're almost done. You're going to join all these groups here, right? That's very important. And they're free to join here. Join. Okay, great. Did you do that? Smash the like button if you're doing this with me, okay? Look, it's important to do this at the same time that I'm doing it with you, right? Then you're highly likely to make money here, okay? So now what you need to do is go to digitalstore.com. So go to digitalstore.com, because what we need to do is I need to give you the link to share that allowed me to make $400 per day. Like, that's a new account that I showed you on digitalstore24.com, which is an affiliate platform that is worldwide. And these people, they're going to pay you to share the link, okay? They will pay you, but you have to listen close and pay close attention. But if not, some of you are going to fast forward like stupid people, and then you're going to be broke here. I'm trying to help you out, so listen up here. So listen, go to register now, right? Get yourself a free account. Now listen, I know some people, they text me below, Wesley, I'm in Africa. Wesley, I'm in Somalia. They don't accept. Listen, this is what you do. You find somebody in America, find somebody in Canada, find somebody outside of your country that can create an account. Have them give you the username and password, and bam, you're done, right? Then you have the account. It's not even a big deal here, okay? So once you get the account here, you want to log in, okay? And I'll log in with one of my accounts here, okay? Boom, 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 transparency here. And then what you want to do is go to Marketplace. Pay attention with me here, okay? You want to go to Marketplace right here, okay? Are you with me? Hey, look at me. You with me? Hey, smash the like button. Show me some love. Let's go. So then what you want to do here, scroll down, and you want to go to the offer that says Genius Script here. But let's do this. Marketplace, all offers here. My offer is number 4. And yeah, I know what you guys thinking. Oh, Wesley, you're trying to promote your own stuff. You just want to promote your stuff. No, I'm not just trying to promote my stuff. It's sales rank number 4. And I could tell you to promote this guy's stuff or this guy, but the problem is these people may not help you when you email them. Me, my team, we will help you. Like, as me, I'm telling you to promote mine because I will help you through the process so you can start making money. This is the link here that you need to basically copy copy that link, because that is called your affiliate link. Now, the question is, okay, Wes, where do I put this link? Slow down. What you want to do is go back to Facebook, okay? Go back to Facebook again, and you joined all these groups, and this is what you want to type. Copy this verbatim. This allows me to do $300 to $400 per day, which is about $12,000 to $16,000 per month. Check it out. This is what you do. See, the average person, you know what they do? They do this. Hey, you want to manifest? Hey, you want to manifest? No, that's the amateur way, right? Let me show you the big dog, the people that make all the money here. So check it out. So you see these quotes here? See these people that's engaging right here? Right? Look at this. Quotes, quotes, quotes. So people love quotes. So the first thing you want to do in these groups is start to get people engaged in your content here. So now this next step is you're going to go to google.com, type in quotes manifestation here. See here? And then you go to images here. And all you want to do is find a quotable image here that you're basically going to copy and paste. Like this one. It's already yours. Like, listen, if you ever want to manifest anything in life, let me give you a lesson here. You have to believe right now where you are that it's yours now. You can't hope. You can't want. You have to expect that it's happening now. Like, if you want to make money with this video as you watch it now, you got to believe that you're making money now in advance. That's how it works, okay? To manifest what you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this. Let's save this image to downloads here. Once that's done, now, are you following me, folks? Stay with me here. You want to go back here to this group, and all we're going to do is just post that image here, okay? Go to photos here, okay? I don't want you guys to look at none of my naked photos. Sorry. Look, then you're going to post it up here, and then you see this right here? Then bam! Do you agree? Comment yes or no. Let's talk about it. All right, because what am I doing? I'm building a relationship with people, okay? When I do that, and I hit post here, then people, they're going to respond to the post, right? They're going to start responding back and forth to the post. Like the other day, I got over 300 comments by posting that, and about 10 of those people bought the product. Now listen, when they post below, like this person put a Buddha here, when people start to comment below, what you do is you reach out to them, okay? You reach out to the people that's going to comment on your stuff here. So like, say if this guy made a comment on your post that you just posted, say, hey man, thanks for the comment. So what are your thoughts about manifestation? Right? Everybody that leaves a comment on your post with that quotable image in all these groups, you say, hey, thanks for your comment. What do you think about manifestation? They're gonna be like, I think this. Well, they're gonna say, what do you think? Well, I'm using this. What do? You give them your link, right? Remember the link right here. You give them this link because this link is going to lead them to the web page, which is here because you just shared it with them. That's going to allow you to make money. That's how you do it. You can make $300 a day, $400. It's up to you, right? If I was broke, because people ask me this all the time. They say, Wesley, if you were broke, if you didn't have any gold chain diamond rings on your neck, what would you do to make money right now? Well, I would do this, honestly. I would join every Facebook group from Law of Attraction, Manifestation, and Success. And I will post images, quotable images in all the groups. And I would give you exactly the same verbiage that I just shared with you in the video. I will post it in every group. I will get a ton of engagement, and I will reach out to all these people every day. My goal is to do what? Get 5 to 10 people to buy every day. That's over $1,000 a day. That's $30,000 a month. Now, how many of you right now can do this? Right? Comment below. Smash the like button. Let me know if you can do this. Now, listen. I know that looks easy, but I know it's a group of you that may say, Wesley, I love you. I appreciate the videos. I appreciate the technique. But is there a better way to do this? Listen, about 2 years ago, I created a group that people pay me $1,000, okay, per month to do exactly what I just did for you in this video here. Well, I do it for them because some people are just not technical. And some people, it doesn't matter how much you just make it stupid simple, they still don't get it. So what I did is stuff like this, I just created it for them, and I just guaranteed that they'll make money. So I kind of did it for them. So what I want to do, I want to do it for 10 people here. And listen, I know $1,000 per month, many of you can't afford that. Even $500, right? Even $99, some of you guys. What I'm going to do for the first 10 people who's watching this video, who look in the description below, there's a site that says do it for me. You click it for $17. I'm going to give you access to the software that does it all for you absolutely tonight. Like in 24 hours, everything you just seen here, it does it times 100. So instead of making $400 a day, imagine making $4,000 a day, which is $100,000 per month. Like what would you do with $100,000 just by going to the description below, clicking that link and getting the software? $17. That's it. But listen, that's the caveat. Only 10 people per month. As you watch this video on YouTube, it's going to get it. If you're number 11, it's $1,000. If you're number 12, it's $1,000. 10 people right now that say, you know, enough is enough. I'm tired of the 9-to-5 job. I'm sick and tired of my life. I'm financially just broke. It doesn't matter if you're a mom, a father, a 9-to-5 grinder. You could be a teenager. Take a leap of faith. $17. I'm going to do it all for you using this very unique software that you're going to share these links. It's going to do it all for you. You set it up one time, you click a button, and it generates money every single hour. It's going to blow your mind. So it's in the description below. Click that link, the first 10 people. Let me know once you get it. I'm going to start tonight for you. I'm going to work for you. If you're one of the 10 people, you'll get email. If you're not, then I'm sorry, the link below is not going to work once you click it right now. Remember, in life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the likes. Smash the like button. I'll see you soon. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go!